Hi, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'll be making zucchini air fryer fries, which are really easy to make. For air fryer zucchini fries, you need is some sliced zucchini, breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. First, take the egg and mix it with the zucchini like this. So what you do is just mix it using a fork so it mixes fully and it's ready to be coated like this. Not too much because it's going to get covered with the breadcrumbs. So mix it like this. Take the zucchini and dip it into breadcrumbs like this. And repeat the process once it's fully done. And continue. Now the zucchini have been breaded and they're ready to go into the air fryer. I'll put this for 8 minutes and let that preheat. Zucchini fries into the air fryer like this. You could do them by hand, but I like to do them with this. So just put all of these in here. Like this. The sides, so just take this and turn the zucchini fries like this. And let that go for another 2 minutes. And you can see it's becoming crispy. So just turn that. And then just put it back into the air fryer. Now put that back into the air fryer for 2 minutes and then it's going to be done. Time to take out the air fryer zucchini fries. So now they're done. So now I'm just going to take them out. Like this. So take them out. And they're ready to eat. Put this back in. Now here's some air fryer zucchini fries. Very easy to make. Recipe will be on Hunyah Travels blog. And also please share, like, and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. And watch Hunyah Travels, and thank you for watching Hunyah Travels. Thank you.